Well, looking at the India VIX, definitely one is a little hopeful that maybe the volatility is going to ease off even further. But Ajay, hi, afternoon. Welcome to the show. What hint should we actually gather from the Prime Minister when he says that, he was praying to Goddess Lakshmi to shower the poor and middle class with blessings, hinting at what perhaps may be in the budget?
It's good. We can only applaud that. I hope they follow it through with some action. That will be the uh, reaction. For the last 10 years, we have seen that everybody has to bear you know, uh, bear the load of all these schemes. But clearly, there is a difference between the economic poor and the electoral poor. The electoral poor are 80 crores who are getting free food grains every month. And then the huge distribution of about 2 lakh crores across states under various dole-outs, be it to farmers, be it to women, be it to other challenge segments. So the electoral poor are taking a bigger segment of the pie. That is the crowding out of the fiscal space. Again, I don't grudge them that, seeing we wrote off 16 lakh crores on corporate loans and MSME loans and farmer loans over the last 10 years. Giving out 2 lakh crores a year is par for the course, but there's no fiscal space left there. You have a low tax to GDP ratio. You have indirect taxes, which are very high. Household incomes in real terms are not growing. Household leverage has grown very high. It's reached 52% of household income. Government debt to household income has gone again to a record breaking level. So we are reaching unsustainable levels on the fiscal front. And if on that you want to then become more conservative and bring down the fiscal deficit from 4.8 to 4.5, then the economy is bearing a big, a constriction. And what is then needed is the monetary policy to do some heavy lifting. That, as we know, takes 9 to 12 months. So even if RBI cuts on February 7th, that will flow through in the economy over the next 9 to 12 months. The markets will move on sentiment earlier than that. But we have missed at least 3 to 6 months on the monetary side and fiscal side. We have not too much space. So I am a little bit concerned at the market sentiment being positive towards the budget, because quite frankly, the space for the FM is very limited.
Bit more realistic.